Oh my god!
I'm smushy.
Smushy,
I
mushy.
think so. It's LOL. Could I see what it is? Could I open my eyes? Could I open
No.
my eyes? Can I open my eyes, please? Hi, Mama. Welcome back at TV Squad.
So guys, today Emma received a package from Chanel Family Fun TV. I wonder what's inside. You ready to open it?
Yeah. This is
Let me do it. I want you to cut yourself.
Yeah.
Close your eyes, Emma. No peeking.
And this one, guys, is I got to think what it is. What it is. Mommy, you'll be so surprised.
You're peeping.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
I think so is
Wow! Look, guys! Oh my god!
I'm smushy.
Smushy,
I
mushy.
think so is LOL. Could I see what it is? Could I open my eyes? Could I open
No.
my eyes? Can I open my eyes, please? I think so there's a lot of stuff in there. I can't guess.
Okay, so I show it to everyone. Do you want to guess what's inside?
Yeah.
What?
It's LOL.
Open your eyes.
It's LOL. Oopsie.
Throw it all out.
Guys, could we open
So
one
Emma
of
got
these?
the Poopsie Sparkly Critters in the can. She got the LOL hashtag here goes. Oh, she never opened this one. This one is limited LOL.
Mommy was about to buy this. She already get it.
And she got the LOL Surprise Series I Spy.
Mommy,
That's
could
a
I
cat.
open some LOL? Because I love LOL.
Okay, which one you want to open? One that you never opened, that one? Okay. I'm excited because we never opened the limited edition. So excited!
I think so is a good
Emma,
one.
you want to look in the camera and say thank you?
Thank you!
Guys, thank you so much for sending this for Emma. She love it.
Yeah.
Right? Guys, we're going to leave the channel down below. Make sure you go check them out. They make a lot of fun YouTube video and Game Master videos. And we love watching them. Right, Emma?
Yeah.
Ooh, we never opened one of these. We could have never found it, guys. So thank you so much.
Wow, that looks golden.
Oh
Look
yeah, it's so
inside.
pretty. Look at the wrapper.
Yeah.
The
Oh,
wrapper's so
the
pretty.
secret mesh.
What it says? Star Plus, and then it got a leaf.
Star Plus and the leaf.
It said Lucky Star.
Lucky star.
Oh, just like the stars on the ball, right, Emma?
Yeah, oh yeah.
What this one say? It said you're gold, baby. Okay, let's let Daddy help you because I ain't got no nails.
Me too.
I don't have no nails.
I don't have no nails too, cause mommy cut my nails.
Yeah, I did. Emma, that was a good guess. What you guessed in the box, right?
Yeah.
Huh? I can't hear you.
I think so. Mommy, did you knew it too?
I didn't know. I was surprised as you.
I knew it. I think.
Yeah.
So.
You did.
Yeah.
Oh, the ball is so pretty.
Look, and I knew there's gold again.
Uh-oh. The wrapper
Guys, I'm
is
not
so
showing you
pretty.
this. It's a star.
Oh, look at this, guys. This is
One
so
side is
cute.
blue and one side is gold.
That is so pretty. Let me see. Oh, yeah. One side is gold. I mean, you too smart.
I think so. Oh, I got it this time. Yay.
Okay, wait. So guys, this sticker said LOL surprise and it got lucky locks on it. That's cute. You need help, Emma? You got it?
No, I got it.
Show them how pretty the ball is now that you got it unwrapped. It's blue.
Blue and gold.
So this side is gold and this side is blue.
Wait. Is this the color?
You could put this on your notebook. It's pretty.
Ooh, this is gold.
It's gold and black. It's pretty, right?
And the sand. I love sand.
You do. Oh, let me help you open it. So how much wrappers do you have? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This one's good. Oh, it got something in it.
Oh, this is glitter too. Everything is glitter. Everything is glitter, guys. Everything is glitter. This 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 is glitter. Everything.
So you're going to open these 3 blind bags.
Okay, I'm going to open this one first.
Yeah. And then you're going to...
Oh, I know what I got.
Emma, there's only one thing coming this one, and that's Lucky. Oh, her bottle is so pretty.
Everything is gold, guys. Everything
is gold and blue. It matched the ball. So that's the bottle, guys. It's gold, and then the rim has blue glitter.
Gold. The package is gold too.
Yeah. And that's the headband.
Whoa, it's so dark.
Wow. Yeah, the headband it's blue with glitter.
Ooh,
the shovel.
The shovel.
You got everything out?
Yes, that one I opened.
Yeah.
What I got?
Ooh, look
Look at this outfit. Oh my
It's
god.
so pretty. Give mommy the garbage. What is that? Her dress?
Yes.
Oh, her dress is pretty.
Did I open
Let me make sure. Wait, Emma, let me make sure all the bag is empty. You don't miss anything. All right. I didn't rip that?
No.
Oh, because I was going to let you dig first, but you can go ahead.
I was right.
That's the only one that come in that ball. Of course she was right.
She has some.
She's so pretty.
She broke up.
She's so cute.
Oh, she also have a star here.
Oh yeah, she do. She have a gold star.
Let me put it back on.
You know her name?
No.
Her name is Lucky Lux.
Lucky Lux.
Yeah, that's a pretty name.
Ooh, look at she. She's so pretty.
Emma, you didn't put it on right.
Sorry, because I don't know how to put on this. Right.
Look at her hair. It's black, gold, and blue. Look at her tail. It's so pretty.
Wait, it's called, this say L-O-O-L. Is it L? Guys, so is it
She got
L?
pretty glitter on her eyes right there, guys.
Wait, guys, it's L-O-L.
Yeah. Go ahead and they can see what she comes with. Go see what she comes with.
Oh, it's green sand.
It's so pretty and it got glitter. Gold glitter. She is, oh my god, she's so adorable, guys. Oh, she got stars at her eyes. That's so pretty.
Oh, why do we have this table, Mommy? Forgot?
It's okay. It's not gonna mess that up. She's so cute. And then it look like she got cute bunny ears.
It looked like she had black shoes.
No, she don't.
Yes, she did.
She do. She had black shoes, guys. She got this cute little gold stars right here, guys. She is too.
I'm just going to use it with my hand. Wait, because it's real hard. This sand is hard.
Because you're not using that to dig. Come, let me show you how you do it. You gotta get in there and dig and dig and dig and dig. Is it coming out?
No, yes.
How many shoes she got?
5.
Emma, you don't. That's it. You got it. She don't have 5 shoes. How many shoes she have, Emma?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Count it. Do this look like 5?
1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4.
Look how pretty the sand is, guys. So cute. Don't get it on the floor, Emma. Just scrape it back into this and then you can play with this later.
Yeah.
I just want to see her color change or what she do. Silly mommy, I'm about to put the shoes back inside the sand. You got it all, Emma? Come. Stop being so dramatic. It's just sand. Here.
Guys, let's see what Lucky Lux do. Let's see she color change. She don't color change.
No, it would be cool if she color changed because she is a limited edition, but no, she do not color change.
Probably she spits.
Emma, when you squeeze the face, you squeeze it so funny. Let's see what she do.
It's on the table, Mommy.
It's okay. It's water. It's going to dry up.
Oh, yeah. It's always dry up on this table.
So, she's a spitter, guys.
She's a spitter. Spitter.
Let's see if she could spit from here into the big bowl into the small bowl. Wait, Emma. Let's see. Emma, put your hands down. Really, Emma? Oh, look, she do it. Look, she's spitting into the small bowl. Okay, let's get Lucky Lux dress. So guys, it has 7 surprises to collect. 1 secret message, 2 collectible stickers, 3 bottle, 4 shoes, 5 scoopers, 6 outfit, and 7 is the pet. And it said 1 style available. Guys, this is Lucky Lux. Sorry, Lucky Lux.
Lucky Lux. Wait, you have gold on your hair too, just like Lucky Lux. See?
Oh yeah, I do. I do. She's so cute, guys. I think she's one of our favorite pets that we ever had, right?
Yeah.
Thank you again, Chanel. Thank you again, Chanel Family Fun TV, for sending this to Emma. She absolutely loved it. And I love it too. So guys, look out for when we open the rest of these. You don't want to miss it.
Yeah! Everyone, bye-bye. Hope you like this video. Big thumbs up.
Guys, don't forget to follow Emma on
Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook.
Guys, if you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And guys, don't forget to hit that bell
to get all the notifications to find videos.
And guys, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And guys, don't forget to go check out the rest of our video. Guys, we're gonna leave Chanel Family Fun TV down below. So go check them out. We love you and we love ya.